Okay. Wait for the what? That whilst we're here. And I need to start again because I've f***ed everything up. Picks to the lows of the equator.
Hear it? Yeah. I mean, I'll be...
Well, that, no. The what?
How were them?
Yeah, that second one is the...
The shit, because I talked about crap. Get another one. Get another.
water.
I'll do it this time. Because the thing is, if I go too far, I'll slip on this mud. Oh, fucking ballsed it up. Fuck's sake. Of the wind. Oh, it's him. He made me start laughing, and I was in the middle of laughing whilst I was doing it. Generally never stop. The connect our world. Da, 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 da.